All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to insert the battery in your WOLFANG 4K GA200. You're going to notice on the battery, there's little leads right here or little contacts. Be aware of that because you're going to need to know where to put that. So to open this door, this port on the bottom, you'll see there's a little triangle there. You got to put your thumb in there like that. Put a finger here and then push, and it pops open, just like that. Then you're going to open up the door. If you look inside, you're going to see the contacts are right there. You see that? And then if I look on the battery, the contacts are right there. So I've got to insert the battery with those contacts, even with the contacts in here. Okay? So I'm going to go ahead and slide that in. So you can see the contacts are even. And it's going to go down in there. And then I'm just going to kind of smush it. You're going to hear a click. Now I know it's in there. And you see this little tab? The tab allows you to pull it out once it's in. So you want to make sure that tab doesn't get ripped off. And then you just get her in there. Bam. And then you're going to close the door like that. And then just push it over. And bam, Bob's your uncle, ready to go. Press this button. And yep, we're totally charged up. And that's how you do it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos. Peace out.